Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today we will discuss about a job opportunity. So I have already uploaded a video for this job update. So if you want to see the details about it, then you can go to that video also. I will provide the link in the description box, and also you can check out from the I button. So you will be redirected to that video, but this is just a reminder because this job is about Wipro's off-campus hirings 2022. So they have announced their Wipro's Elite National Talent Hunt a few days ago, and today is the last date for this job. So if you are someone who have not applied yet for this, then do apply as soon as possible. The CTC for this job role is 3.5 LPA, and your designation will be of system engineer. And if I look the eligibility criteria, so you need 10th standard 60% and above, same in the 12th and same in your graduation, and open school or distance education is allowed for 10th and 12th only. Okay, other batch criteria if I talk about, so one backlog is allowed and at the time of assessment stage, and uh, if you get selected, then at the time of offer stage you need to clear that backlog also. Okay, now candidates are expected to clear the backlog along with 8 semester, and maximum 3 years gap education allows between 10th to commencement of ग्रेजुएशन. सो ग्रेजुएशन एंड 10th के बीच आपका 3 ईयर का जो है गैप अलाउड है. नाउ no gaps are allowed in the graduation period, so your graduation period should be completed in the allowed like standard time, and should be from a full-time degree course recognized by central or state government of India, and candidate will be invited for the test process who have completed 3 months school or 3 months cool off period from the previous assessment. So whoever not applied for Wipro off campus hiring in last 3 months, they will be considered. Okay, now should be Indian citizen, and Bhutan and Nepal nationals need to submit their citizenship certificate. So these are the eligibility criteria, and you should be a pass out of 2020 and 2021. Okay, and from the branches, from the degrees BE, BTech, and MEM Tech, 5 year integrated courses. So if you have done BE BTech, then you will eligible, and if you have done MEM Tech or with the 5 year integrated program, then also you are eligible. So all branches are allowed except, so these are the branches which are not allowed, and designation will be of project engineer, and compensation will be 3.5 LPA. All the other details have been shared in the previous video, so I will provide that link in the description box. This video is just a reminder that if you have not applied yet, then apply as soon as possible. Till today 11:59 p.m. you will be, the application will be considered. After that the application will not be considered, so apply as soon as possible. And if there is someone who are known to you and have not applied for this job, then share this video with them also. Okay, so this is all for today's video, guys. If you like the video, then need to hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker for future updates. I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.